Good morning, guys and girls. So yesterday I took my camera to a repair shop, and it was with the help of Vikashda, um, who calls a respected person in the neighborhood, and he called a shop which was nearby, and there I took my camera. The guy put on another LCD of the same model, and it was working well, and there was no green effect there. So he said he will send me the estimate of the cost, estimate of the repair, and he has to know the price of the LCD. I looked up online, it's around 1,600. So, and because they told me to get it repaired, because what else can you do? And we had a nice chat about lots of things, because they told me to join his photography course, and asked me what I do capture with my 18200. I said a little bit of everything, and he said that he uses more mainstream and more professional devices, because he is a professional photographer. So he didn't have these issues such as display going green and such. And the repair guy also told me that it can be a physical damage, or it can be no damage. Sometimes this happens, so we have to see what happens. And yesterday Chrissy told me that's why I love you, when she was talking about the perils of an electric car, because they have this range anxiety. So what if it breaks down in the middle of nowhere, and will they have enough gas or something like that? And I said that carry a fake mustache and a trench coat, so that you can disguise yourself as a man, or something like that. So she was very pleased with it. She was going in her car to her birthday party. It was her happy birthday, Christine. Yeah, it was fun. But today morning I have some, my belly hurts a little. I think it's gas or something like that. I ate some, what they call it, motor, or what they call it, a type of gram. Peas, when the peas get ripe, they become yellow. That type of gram. I ate 2 fistfuls in the morning, and then I also had them in my breakfast, I think. So it wasn't well advised. And there is my older camera. I've given up all hopes, but maybe, just maybe, this guy can also fix it. If he let him fix my main camera first, then I'll bring that there. And people said that because I said that he will give a good value for money. He is long-term. He is doing this for a long time. So let's choose a topic for today. It can be the display on a DSLR. So, contrary to mirrorless cameras and cameras in general, such as these phone cameras, the screens in a DSLR, there are 2 screens in a DSLR. One is the optical viewfinder, where it is like a screen, but you see what's live outside through the lens using a mirror. And it also has indicators on the bottom which tells you the shutter speed, the ISO, and some few parameters. And also it shows the autofocus points where the picture is focusing. And it also has another display, which is an LCD display like the one in phones and in mirrorless cameras. And the fun thing is that I found out that even though my display was damaged, the camera could be used for taking photographs, because it has this alternate viewfinder that's in the top. So if one gets damaged, you can also use the other one. So that is one big advantage of DSLRs. And the screen, you can say, in DSLRs, I thought they'd be hardy, but as you see from my case, they can also break anytime. They are indeed making it more fragile so that the models sell over the years, and it is not how it used to be. So that's a very short introduction about screens in a DSLR. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you again, and bye bye.